ever stop to think about how the humble coconut becomes a rich, creamy coconut milk we all love? Spoiler alert, it's way more than just cracking one open. Let's take you behind the scenes of coconut milk mass production, a journey that starts in lush tropical groves and ends on your grocery store shelf. Every step is packed with care, precision, and a little bit of magic. Get ready to be amazed by the incredible effort that goes into every delicious drop. It all starts with the arrival of coconuts at the factory. Tough, travel-worn, and carrying little souvenirs of their journey like dirt and debris. But not for long. These coconuts get a thorough scrub, leaving them sparkling clean and ready for their transformation. Next up, the cracking process. Imagine breaking open thousands of coconuts by hand. It sounds exhausting, right? Luckily, modern technology steps in to save the day. Custom-built machines, precision engineered for the job, crack open those hard shells in a mesmerizing rhythm, preserving the precious kernel inside. Efficiency meets art in this mechanical dance. Once the shells are cracked, the spotlight turns onto the star of the show, the tender, white kernel hidden inside. Here, skilled hands or high-tech systems carefully scoop out every last piece of coconut meat. Nothing goes to waste. Even the empty shells find new purpose, transforming into eco-friendly products like activated charcoal, biofuel, or even decorative items. Sustainability at its finest. Now comes the critical moment, quality control. Every piece of coconut meat is meticulously inspected for freshness, color, and ripeness by both seasoned experts and advanced machines. Only the best make the cut, because the freshest, most vibrant coconut meat creates the richest, creamiest milk. By the end of this process, the humble coconut has been transformed into pristine mounds of pure white meat, ready for the magic of milk extraction. It's amazing to think about the care, precision, and innovation that goes into this journey, all before a single drop of coconut milk is made. Next, the coconut meat is shredded into tiny confetti-like pieces, gearing up for the show-stopping moment, extraction. Picture this, state-of-the-art machines teaming up with nature's treasure. The shredded coconut is funneled into massive hydraulic presses. Think of a supercharged juice squeezer that applies hundreds of tons of pressure to extract every last drop of creamy goodness. These machines mean business, squeezing out up to 90% of the milk with almost zero waste left behind. And those leftover fibers, they get a second life as animal feed, compost, or eco-friendly products like mats and brushes. And talk about sustainable innovation. But wait, there's more. To unlock the rich oils inside the coconut fibers, warm water or steam is added during the pressing, creating milk that's smoother, silkier, and bursting with that signature tropical flavor we all crave. Every step is carefully monitored to keep that coconut goodness intact. And for the futuristic twist, some factories are now experimenting with ultrasonic extraction, using sound waves to break down coconut fibers more efficiently. Modern science meets tradition, boosting yield while saving both water and energy. And how cool is that? Freshly squeezed, the coconut milk is creamy, frothy, and full of aroma. But it's not quite ready for its debut just yet. It heads off for filtering and refining, where it's transformed into smooth, shelf-stable coconut milk you know and love. From cutting-edge machines to ingenious techniques, the creation of coconut milk is a story of craftsmanship, science, and sustainability. So next time you pour a splash into your coffee or a recipe, remember the incredible journey behind every luscious drop. Straight from the presses, raw coconut milk is a rich, creamy blend of coconut meat, oils, and proteins. A flavor-packed base, but not quite ready for your favorite dishes just yet. That's where the magic happens. Filtering and homogenizing step in to transform this raw milk into the silky, high-quality coconut milk you know and love. First up, filtering. Picture this: high-tech systems working overtime to separate the luscious liquid from tiny bits of coconut meat. Factories use advanced mesh screens and powerful centrifuges. Think of them as turbocharged sieves. These machines spin at dizzying speeds, whisking away unwanted particles and leaving behind pure, velvety goodness. And why does this matter? Even the tiniest speck of coconut meat could ruin the smooth texture we all crave in canned coconut milk. But the real hero of this story? Homogenization. Have you ever made coconut milk at home and noticed it is separating into layers of cream and water? That's where homogenization steps in, blending oils, proteins, and water into a perfectly smooth, cohesive liquid. High-pressure machines push the milk through tiny openings at lightning speeds, breaking down fat molecules into ultra-fine droplets that stay blended. The result? A creamy, luxurious milk that doesn't separate or leave behind any oily residue, even after months on the shelf. But the benefits don't stop there. Homogenization doesn't just create a dreamy texture, it also enhances flavor absorption, making coconut milk a versatile star in your cooking and baking. Plus, it extends the shelf life by evenly distributing fats, helping prevent spoilage. In short, filtering and homogenizing take raw coconut milk to the next level. It's this transformation that turns a simple coconut into the creamy, ready-to-use milk that ends up in your grocery aisle, and ultimately your kitchen. Who knew science could taste so good? The journey of coconut milk from raw ingredients to your kitchen shelf is nothing short of magical. It starts with extracting that rich, creamy goodness, which gets its moment of glory in the pasteurization process. Think of it as coconut milk spa day. It's heated just enough to wave goodbye to harmful bacteria, all while keeping its nutrients and signature flavor intact. After this quick heat therapy, it is swiftly chilled to lock in its freshness. But the real show begins during packaging. Once pasteurized, the silky coconut milk is transformed into massive, perfectly temperature-controlled storage tanks to maintain its high quality. Then, technology steps in for a mesmerizing performance. Picture a high-speed conveyor belt where robotic arms elegantly fill cans, cartons, or pouches with precision. Each can is vacuum sealed to keep out air, while cartons and boxes are heat sealed or glued tightly. Prefer powdered coconut milk? The liquid is transformed into a fine spray-dried powder before being packed into airtight pouches, ready to last. The speed and precision are jaw-dropping. These robotic arms fill, seal, and label thousands of packages every hour, with sensors and cameras keeping a watchful eye for spills, leaks, or defects. If anything's amiss, the machines spring into action, halting the line to ensure no compromise on quality. As the packages glide down the conveyor belt, they're finished with a final flourish. Expiration dates and batch numbers are gently placed onto each container, ready for their journey to your home. Whether it's a sturdy can for your pantry, or a lightweight carton for your fridge, or a pouch of powdered coconut milk waiting to be rehydrated, every package is built for durability and convenience, keeping your coconut milk as fresh as the day it was packed. This intricate dance of technology, precision, and care ensures that every spoonful of coconut milk you enjoy is absolute perfection. From farm to cupboard, the journey is as impressive as the product itself. Every container of coconut milk isn't just a product, it's a result of a relentless pursuit of perfection. Have you ever wondered what goes into ensuring each drop is as creamy, rich, and pure as it should be? Spoiler alert, it's not magic. but a powerful mix of cutting-edge technology and human expertise. It all starts the moment raw coconut milk is squeezed from the shell. The fat content and natural sweetness are immediately tested. Too much? Too little? If it's not just right, the batch is discarded without hesitation. Only the best make it through. From there, high-tech filtration systems spring into action, removing impurities with precision. But this isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. Samples are carefully analyzed using spectrometers and chemical tools, hunting for even the tiniest irregularities in mineral balance or fat distribution. The result? Milk that's perfectly pure, just like it looks. Then comes the art of homogenization. Under the watchful eyes of a team of scientists and engineers, the water, oil, and protein are blended seamlessly. This isn't just about texture. It's what ensures your coconut milk stays fresh, smooth, and ready to elevate your next curry or smoothie. Safety takes the spotlight during pasteurization. After a quick heat treatment to eliminate bacteria, state-of-the-art AI sensors step in to double-check for any harmful microbes. These sensors work faster and more accurately than traditional methods, leaving no room for error. But machines can only do so much. Enter the professional taste testers. With palates finely tuned to detect even the subtlest flavor notes, they ensure every sip of coconut milk delivers the rich, creamy taste you've come to expect. Their expert touch adds a layer of quality and assurance no algorithm can replicate. Innovation doesn't stop there. Some factories are even using blockchain technology to track every single step of the production process. If something's not right, the issue can be traced back to its source, whether it's the coconuts themselves or a specific stage in processing. By the time the coconut milk reaches its packaging, it has gone through countless scientific tests and sensory checks. The results? A product that's not only safe and nutritious, but also downright delicious. There you have it. The journey of a humble can of coconut milk is nothing short of magic. It's a delicate dance of nature's finest, cutting-edge machinery, and skilled craftsmanship, all coming together to create that creamy goodness you love. So, the next time you grab one at the store, take a moment to appreciate the effort and expertise poured into every silky drop. Hungry for more behind-the-scenes stories? Give this video a like, subscribe to Production Portal, and tell us which product you'd love to see uncovered next. Until then, savor the creaminess and wonder at the brilliance packed into every can. See you soon!